guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make two mug cakes. One's vanilla and one's chocolate, but they both have the same batter, and I didn't copy it from the internet and give it straight to you. I took it and I improved it, I experimented, and I added my own spice onto it, and now it's the best ever. So let's get started. Whoa, wait, before we get started, we're going to do a like, subscribe, and a challenge. I want you to press all those buttons with your middle finger in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's actually get started. So first of all, these are the ingredients you need. You will need some flour, sugar, an egg. You only need half, but I'm doing 2 recipes, so that means half each. Baking powder, some warm milk, some melted butter, vanilla extract, sprinkles. You can use whatever sprinkles you want, but I've chosen the white chocolate stars and the bunny and duck mix. A bowl to beat the egg in, a mug, a spoon, and a fork. We're going to crack the egg now. Now put this aside and make sure to wash your hands. Now my hands are clean, I'm going to beat the egg with a spoon. We're going to put this egg aside and get our mug and add all of our dry ingredients first. Now we're going to add 4 tablespoons flour. Make sure your mug isn't too small or the mixture will actually leak over. So try and get a medium-sized cup. And then we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon baking powder, and this is going to make the cake rise. We're going to add the sugar. Now we're going to mix it all up. I prefer to use a fork because it makes the mixing really easy. All the dry ingredients are mixed. We're going to add the wet ingredients. We're going to add milk, which is 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to add the butter, which should be melted. This is 1.5 tablespoons. We're going to add the vanilla extract, which is 1/2 teaspoon. And this smells very nice. This is going to give the cake like vanilla taste because it's vanilla cake. And then last of all, we're going to add half of our egg mixture. And some more. That should be enough. You have to mix gently. Make sure to keep mixing to avoid lumps. Don't overmix or your cake won't be fluffy. I'm going to add these cute sprinkles now. This is actually optional, but I think it gives the cake a really good colour and it tastes really nice. Now let's mix it. I've added some at the top to make it look very nice, and now I'm going to microwave this for a minute. I've actually microwaved this for 1 minute, but this depends on your microwave's power, so some people might have to microwave longer or shorter. I have a special guest arriving in 3, 2, 1. This is my little sister. You might have met her in some of my other videos. She's going to be my special tester. Let's get into this. I'm going to give her the small one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And this is how it came out. They look really pretty and the sprinkles made it really nice. So let's try it. Make sure to leave this for about 1 minute, but not too long or the cake's going to go down. But it's going to be really hot when you take it out, so be careful. That is so good. You go. She's gone straight for the sprinkles. This is so good. You have to try this out. The next recipe is going to be the chocolate mug cake, and it's basically the same ingredients, but I've tweaked them a bit. I've added cocoa powder, which is 1.5 tablespoons. I've also added some extra sugar because the cocoa powder should be unsweetened and it's a bit bitter, but that's going to give us the chocolate taste. You need a little bit of a bigger mug because we're adding some extra ingredients, so don't make it as small as the last one. I'm going to tip in all the flour. This flour is the same as the recipe we did before, so you don't need to change anything. Then we're going to add the baking powder, same as before. Sugar. I'm going to add the cocoa powder. This is 1.5 tablespoons in case you forgot. Make sure it's this light brown colour. If it's not, then you haven't mixed it well. Here it is. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients, which are butter. This is the same as before. Then we're adding the milk. This should still be room temperature or warm. Last of all, we're going to add the eggs. Now we're going to mix this again. Using a whisk is really easy. It's easier than a spoon, so I recommend you use a whisk to get it done quicker. Now it's mixed, it should have this type of consistency. So it's not that watery, but it's not that thick either. And I'm going to add some sprinkles inside. You can also add chocolate chips. I'm going to just sprinkle them on top. You can add any type of decoration you want, but I like these white stars as they contrast against the black. Now we're going to microwave this for 1.5 minutes. My chocolate mug cake is ready and it looks so good. I'm going to invite my special guest again to try this out in 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm back again.
Are you excited to try it again?
Yes.
Look how good it looks. Does it look good?
Yes.
Oh, thanks. Let's tuck in. It's so fluffy and so chocolatey. It's so good. Okay, do you want to have a go?
Wow.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Which one's better, the chocolate or the vanilla?
Chocolate.
Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel because I put in so many hours a week editing these, making these and planning these videos. And it means so much to have your support. Bye!